Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of this video and I'm really happy to see all of you guys here. Now today we're going to talk about what is a pixel and how do we install it on our website. Before we get into it, I just want you to know that if you have any questions, any queries, drop it in the comments and I'll reply to all of them. With that being said, let's get into the screen directly. Alright. All right, everyone, let's get started. Let's see what exactly is a pixel. Let's understand what is a pixel and then we'll move on to how to set it up. So, what is a Facebook pixel? A Facebook pixel is a piece of code on your website that lets you measure, optimize, and build audiences for ad campaigns. Fuck this shit. I'll tell you easily what it is. Let's start. Okay. See, suppose this is your website. Okay, whatever it is, right? This is your website. All right, and this is Facebook. All right. So whenever someone clicks on your ad through Facebook, right? Facebook needs to we install a pixel, which is a code, a small line of code. All right, and the code is between it acts as a highway between both of them. All right, it's a highway. Think of it as a highway, right? So what it does is whenever a user performs an activity on your website, suppose a user goes from your sees an ad, goes to your website and then performs a purchase. All right, they bought it, they bought something from your website. Facebook, your website will now be able to send that data back to Facebook so that you can track which ad is performing. Suppose you're running 4 or 5 ads and one of them got you a sale. So your website will send that data back to Facebook and Facebook will know, okay, the ad number 3 is performing well. It is sending us, it is getting us sales, right? So essentially, this is the most important part. If there is no pixel installed, if there is no pixel installed, there will be no data coming back and forth. Thus you are just running in the wild without knowing anything. Now let's see how to install a pixel. All right, so first of all, open your Shopify store. I'm not going into how to set up your own Shopify store. You can find a lot of them on YouTube, a lot of these tutorials on how to do it, so you can probably see it from there. So I've created a dummy website like this, like my fur buddy. Welcome to our store. This is a very dummy website. There is basically nothing in it. All these products are just random things that I could find on Google and I just pasted it here. So none of these products belong to me. It's just a basic dummy website. Now, to install Facebook Pixel, you just have to first of all come to your Meta Business Suite and we go to our Business Manager. Where do we find the Business Manager? Business Manager. CSC. Yeah. Go to our Ads Manager. And once we are here, go to All Tools. Sorry, we come back to our business account, which is my fur buddy. We change the business account. We go to CSC. We go to All Tools and go to Business Settings. See, once you come here, you'll see all of this. You have to come to Data Sources and go to Pixel. Now, an important update here is Facebook doesn't use Pixel anymore, apparently. They've renamed it to Dataset. Everything remains the same, just the name has changed, don't worry. So, you actually have to come to Dataset. Basically, the good thing about Dataset is you can now combine different things from your website. If you have a website, an app, and you also have a local store, so you can combine all these data. So Facebook knows exactly who is buying and what type of people are buying and everything, right? What you have to do, since I've already created here, I'll show you how to create a new one. Go to Add. Simple. You name the data set for buddy. Sorry, my fur buddy website 2. Simple, quite simple. Just click on create, and you have the just we'll just ignore the first one, we'll just work on the second one. What you have to do is come to connected assets. There is nothing connected, so click on add assets, and you will click on add account, and you will click on the my fur buddy add account. What you're doing is, this data set now belongs to my fur buddy website too, this add account. All right, now now let's come to actually setting it up. Click on open in events manager. Go down. We're just going to ignore this one because I created it earlier. We're just going to focus on this one. Go down, go to setup metapixel. This is setup conversion API. We'll come to that afterwards. Let's work on setup metapixel. Once you click on this, install code manually and check for partner. See, you can install the code manually yourself, but since we the good thing about Shopify is it's a very known brand, so they already have partnered it with Shopify to make it easier for everyone. What you do is select Shopify from here. If you have it on any other platform like BigCommerce, Eventbrite, etc., WooCommerce, etc., etc., you can do it there. We're gonna go with Shopify. Connect your Shopify account to Facebook. All right, now this is something that is done on Shopify. This Shopify has actually made it very easy for you to do all of this. Just go to apps, search Facebook. All right, search for Facebook in the Shopify app store. Right, you have to click here, this one, right, Facebook and Instagram. See, I already have it. You'll have to install it. It doesn't take long, but since I already have it, I'll just open it from here. Apps, Facebook. Right. Yeah, I've already pinned it just for my future use. Right. Now we click on get started, and it asks us to connect our Facebook account. We click on connect account. A pop-up comes up which asks us if this is our account, and yes, it is. We want to confirm it. Allow Facebook to share assets with Shopify. Yes. Right. Um, right. See, understand this. It's asking us to add both shops and ads. All right. So, Facebook Shop is a feature that they've introduced where you get all these stuff where you can just check out from in app. You get to set up a Facebook shop, but it's not available in India, which is why we'll go with ads only. We don't need all of this anyway. Go with get started. Since you've already connected our Facebook account, now it asks us which business account you want to connect. We go on my fur buddy. See, it's asking us which one do you want. We're gonna go with share data. It's asking us which preference you want, and we're gonna go with maximum because we want the best possible result. Understand, Facebook will perform much better if you feed it a lot more data. The more data you feed, Facebook performs better with that. So you go with maximum and you go with save. So connect a pixel to track customer behavior. We will go with this one since we've created this one. I agree to the terms and conditions. Submit for review. All right, it's done now. As you can see, this is how it comes up. What we're going to do is, see, it's asking us to start selling on Facebook and Instagram. We don't want to do that. We won't be able to do that if you're in India. If you're outside, somewhere in the US or any other country, do try it. Nothing, no harm with this. Anyway, we'll come back to our setup here. We'll click on this one. I've completed the setup on Shopify because we already did that. So now we will verify the connection. We have to put in the URL of our website. If you have a separate URL, you can go ahead with it. I'll just click on the URL that I have. I have not bought a custom URL. So m4d.com Shopify. We will paste this and we will send test traffic. So essentially what Facebook is doing here is it is sending some bot traffic to your Shopify store and returning back with it to see if it's actually able to capture the data, back from your Shopify store. So it's gonna refresh for some time. See, this may take several minutes. um, no activity yet. We'll send another test traffic. See, another reason why it's showing like this is because I don't have a custom domain. See, okay, it's working now. I think it just took some time. Anyway, you click on next. It's active, and yeah, that's all. You can again verify your events. Click on test events. Right, again, it's the same thing. You don't have to worry about this since it's done. It's just asking you to test it again. But yeah, that's all. That is how you set up your pixel, or as it's called, data set now. All right, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys understood what is a pixel, how to install it, actually what is a data set now, and how to install it and everything. If you have any queries, drop it in the comments, and please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel so that more people can see videos like this, which can be helpful